This is a high-level overview of the layout of the Pasture-io app. What we're looking at here is the farm dashboard. This is the first screen you'll see the moment that you log in. If you ever find yourself lost, you can return to this farm dashboard by clicking the farm icon here or the Pasture-io logo here. What you'll find is that throughout most of your usage of this app, it'll be split into a left-hand column and the main action area. On this particular screen, the left-hand column shows us firstly your grazing activities. This is where you will enter your grazing activities as well as view your grazing activities. Below that, we have pasture, growth, and leaf emergence. Each of these is a whole of farm average. If you wish, you can click any of those subheadings, for example, pasture, and there'll be some more nuanced information within that. There is also your weather widget and the satellites heading. Below this particular heading, you will see the history of your satellite scans. Moving over to the main action area, the map is shown by default. With the map being shown, you can also click this drop-down arrow and you can do things like apply labels, export the map, or most commonly apply an overlay. So to do that, you would click overlay, and there is a range of options here for the overlays you can apply to the map. We can then substitute what we see in this action area. Rather than viewing the map, we can view a list. This will show you your paddock data in a list format. We could then replace the list with reports. The first one we see here is the feed wedge, and below that, some other graphical representations of your farm data. The map, the list, and the reports can be filtered using the filter button here. You may wish to filter by a custom tag you've created, an irrigation type, a paddock usage, herd allocation, or, in the case of the list that we looked at, a set date range. Below the map, we have what we call the action bar. This is related to your paddock activities. Typically, you will select one or multiple paddocks from the map, as we are doing here. You will then click the action bar, and this is how you can enter a harvest that you've done, a fertilisation that you've done, a spray or a planting. You can also use this to record your grazings, but there's a better way to do that, which will be shown to you later on. And you also have the option to record manual pasture measurements if you wish. At the very top of the screen, we have a link to some help articles here. We have information related to your user account. We have settings. So this will show you things. This is where you will enter your monthly targets, add additional users, and so forth. And we also have Pasture-io. This is a AI farm consultant. Moving on, under feed, we have some standalone calculators here. And you can also view your pasture readings through this heading here. We then have herds. This is the place where you will set up your herds, as well as change them as the season progresses. People, this will give you access to a calendar. All of your farm activities, grazings, fertilisations, and so on, will appear in this calendar. And paddocks. The fundamental use of the paddocks heading is for you to view the history of your grazings, fertilisations, and so on. Lastly, in the bottom right, we have a live chat. If you're having any trouble, throw a question in there and we'll be able to help you with that.